Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze guys. And if your steering column guys, okay, steering wheel doesn't work, okay, it stays low, or the lock doesn't work, stay with us guys, we will explain which fuse to check. You have actually two fuses, one is hidden, so make sure you stay until the end. We will guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our goal guys is to save you as much money as we can. That's our mission guys. All we need in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment with your recommendations. So, let me know, okay, open the hood guys, support it here quick, perfect. Okay, and now guys, under the hood guys, right here it's one of the fuse boxes there, that's where we'll be looking at some of the fuses. Now, in order to remove that fuse box you have 1, 2, 3 clips. So you can see there is two things that you need to squish towards each other, okay, and pull it up, perfect. Now guys, the first fuse that we'll be looking at will be fuse number guys 57. Fuse number 57 is this little guy right here. So in order guys to remove it, okay, we'll use the fuse puller. Okay, you can see there is one tooth, push it back and get the puller up. Get on top of the fuse, pull it out. Okay, now most of the times guys you can tell, okay, if a fuse is burnt or not. You can definitely tell that this is burnt, but otherwise you can always use a voltmeter to check it. Now I'll get a replacement fuse guys, okay, right here, and we'll get a new fuse. Let me just show you guys how we can test them with a voltmeter quick, so you know, because sometimes it's hard to tell, sometimes there will be not see-through fuses, so you have to always make sure that it's bad, not just to keep replacing fuses even if the fuse is good. So we'll have that, okay, that guys, voltmeter, we'll set it at continuity testing here. This is the bad fuse that we have. We'll touch each of the ends of the fuse, and if there is communication it should show us 0 guys. Nothing. If we go right here on the good fuse, check it out, it will give us zeros. So find these guys, okay, this voltmeter in the description of the video below. It's a really good deal. Now I'm going to go ahead and replace that fuse. Where is the other fuse now guys? Okay, this is the question now. The other fuse is inside the car actually. Okay, we need to go inside the car and open the door. Okay, and that's the steering wheel. The lock is integrated, okay, in the column. Open now guys, okay, open here, and inside guys, okay, we need to find guys fuse number 25. Okay, fuse number 25 is actually guys, okay, not every car will have that, okay, but fuse number 25 would be this fuse right here, and we do not have this one. Okay, you can see it should be the second one from bottom to top. Okay, so in our case guys, this fuse doesn't exist. So some models will have it, some don't, and the one on the front as well. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.